Yo, what's popping, guys? Welcome back to another Scratch tutorial on a zombie survival game. How's it going? I'm going pretty good. I hope you're going pretty good. Yeah. Alright, let's start. Let's try to make this one not 48 minutes. I think is how long the last one is. I don't know. I didn't look. Um, but yep, in the last one, we made, if you see here, we got this little title screen. It's pretty bad. That's the point. I wasn't really trying to make anything spectacular. Sorry, I'm moving stuff all over the place. Maybe this little level thing up there, which will save between stuff, all that good stuff. We made okay. So after that, we did a thing. You click it, you can choose a map, bunker, and then we had to create a class system. You could set up a class based on your level. More guns would pop up. Yeah, and then you hit start, and then all this would disappear. And that's all we got. Now, what we are going to do is we're going to actually start setting up the map. So, let's make a little bunker map. This is gonna look really bad, and I don't really care. Okay, all right. Oh my goodness, it's lagging so hard right now. It's not even funny. Scratch, stop dying on me. All right, cool. No. I'm just gonna do this. The ground should be gray because it's a bunker. You know how bunkers be. Just like that. Oh, not that. Oh, I'm bad. Do it filled. I'm leaving the top part a bit bigger just for spaces for variables to be, if like health and stuff. Alright, there we go. Let's make some walls now. How about that, yeah? So we'll do like you start off in a little room. Actually, wait, I can just use this square thing. Haha, I'm so smart. Hello? Oh, okay, there we go. Just like... Okay, not like that. Use the outline tool. I'm sorry, this is going super slow. I thought this would be way faster. Okay, make it like 20. I think that'll be alright. Yeah, that'll be good. So we got all the way through the middle. Just like... Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. There we go. And then we'll make it like this. Not directly through the middle, so like the two rooms you can unlock are a bit bigger. There we go. Awesome. There's our rooms. Now what do we set up, Deku? I'll tell you what we set up now. Now I'll set up the little door frames, like where the doors will be. So, oh. Sorry, I'm bad. There'll be a door here, a door here, a door here, and a door over here. There, here's all the doors, and we'll start in this one right here. Cool, and we'll call it bunker. There we go, it's perfect! Alright, oh my goodness, excuse me. And after that, what we're going to do is we're going to, how about we actually set up the doors? Might be a good idea. We're going to call this door 1. And are you ready for this amazing door graphic? You've never seen a better door graphic on... not even on Scratch, just ever. Are you ready for this? Watch this. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. I'll make it a bit shorter, maybe. Oh, it's so beautiful, dude. You've never seen something more gorgeous. This is door 2. Say hello to door 2. Hi, door 2. That was me saying hi to door 2. Door 2 is gonna go there. And then just turn it sideways. All that good stuff. That's not even. Will not do. That's even. It just doesn't look like it. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, see, it's direction 90. It's just fine. That's just not mean what that means. Anyways, and then door 4 will go here. Beautiful. Now we got the doors in the spots they need to be in. Now let's set this up real quick in door number 1 when the green flag is clicked. Hide. When I receive start, we are going to do a go to here and a show. Beautiful. And also we'll go to front. You'll see why in a second. And we're going to duplicate that to all the other 3, along with the when green flag is clicked. Now we'll go into door 2 and just change the X to whatever your X is. Make your map whatever you want, by the way. You don't need to copy this. Like that. And then this one is... Alright, we didn't copy it into that one. Nice. This one is -56 and -91. And finally this last one. Alright, we didn't copy the other one in this one. Whatever. -55. 87. Just put that in there. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, it's delicious. It's absolutely scrumptious, wouldn't you agree? I'm just going to throw this into this. And any one of these, when the green flag is clicked, switch back up to bunker. Just so you know it does this thing. Boop, 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 boop. Excuse you. Boop, boop, boop. Huh? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm bad. Wow, I'm dumb. Bop, bop, bop. There we go. It looks beautiful, doesn't it? Aren't you so happy with what we have designed? Oh, I am just ecstatic. All right, now let's set up something else. We're gonna set up barriers so we can't see the other rooms that we haven't unlocked. This will be super easy. Make a barrier. Make sure it fits. There we go. That works. We're gonna call it barrier 1. Amazing. Duplicate it. Just make it super long. Doesn't matter how long this one is because we're just going to put it like this. It can go off the edge. It's completely fine. Barrier 2 and barrier 3. Ha ha! Beautiful. Because we're going to start in this one, so this one doesn't need a barrier. Okay. And now for this, we're going to do the same kind of thing. Just when the green flag is clicked, hide. When I receive, start, we're going to do if, just to make sure if you have different maps, and then make this bunker, if map equals bunker, then go to here, show. What can I say? I'm just amazing at Scratch. I'm just a god at it. Top 10, 100%, totally not bluffing. It's just a fact. Everybody knows it. Everybody knows it. And then barrier 3. 2B109 and -88. That is delicious. Alright, let's try it. Boom, 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 boom. And then the doors are in front of it. Actually, make these go to front. I'm sorry. Make the barriers go to front, not the doors. We don't want to see those doors that we haven't unlocked yet. So, we're just going to take that off the doors. That's what we're going to do. Okay, cool. Now let's try it. Boom, 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 boom. Beautiful. That's not what we want to see. What do we do about that? I know what to do about that. Barrier 2. Let's do this and then make it like a little bit longer. Okay, just like that. And then make barrier 3 a little bit taller. Oh, guys, beautiful. Beautiful. Now let's try it. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. Fantastic. 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 Well, let's put on a little person now. How about we do that? Okay, all we need to do is make a little guy. It shouldn't be too hard. We're just going to be like, whom. He's got a little circle, man. I can't believe I got that on the first try. That's incredible. I'm just that good at Scratch. You know how it is. We're just going to make him blue because that's like the classic good guy color, right? It's blue. Gonna give him some little arms that come out. Oh, my goodness, that's bad. Just like that. We'll give him some little hands. Oh, beautiful. He's so beautiful. And then we're going to make him really small. There we go. Perfect. Just like that. Did I center that or did that move at the last second? Okay, it just looks like it moves at the last second. Alright, we're going to call him player, and I'm going to make him in all caps so he's easy to find and, like, touching stuff. Don't take that out of context. We're going to give him a little gun. Just a little pistol in his hand, because that's the gun you start with. So that's what we're going to give him. We're going to make it a gray for a reason that I'll explain later, if I remember. I'm sure I'll remember. It's so that when we do a bullet, we're going to sense the walls as being the color, that when it touches it, it'll disappear. We don't want the gun to be that color. And then also what we're going to do is it might touch our character too. So just like change your darkness to like 005 so it's not black, and then just color him so it still kind of looks black, but it's just a lighter shade of black. So it's like a gray. Which is what that is. And then we're going to recenter him. Don't forget to do that. That's important. Okay, cool. Actually, might as well make his other costumes now. Boop. And then just duplicate that. We're going to name this first one Pistol. This second one... What was our second gun? What was our second gun? Revolver and then a shotgun. Alright, cool. Let's make a revolver. How do you make a revolver? I know how to make a revolver because I'm good at drawing. Just going to add like this little barrel to the end. Oh, that looks phenomenal. Add a little barrel to the end, just like that. Get a bit of a darker. Make a big old line right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's just, so it's even cooler. We'll add like this kind of a thing, just like that. Oh, that looks beautiful. And then as a bonus, we'll make it brown. As a bonus. Boom, boom. That looks phenomenal. Phenomenal. And we'll name it Revolver. And then don't forget to recenter him. I'm going to duplicate pistol because it's easier to do stuff with. Shotgun. And we're going to get rid of the little pistol that we have in his hands. Just like that. We'll give him a big old shotgun. We're going to make this a bit of a darker gray. We're going to do big old thing just like that. Oh, yeah. And then I'm going to round off the edge. Or like the back. Phenomenal. And then I'm going to... Actually, why don't we make the back like a brown? Like a shotgun. That could be swank and dank. Oh, yeah. And then just as a little bit of detail for those who are really looking. We'll add like a little line. Just like that. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. There we go. There we go, shotgun. Oh, wait, don't forget to center that. Perfect. Okay, cool. Now, in our player, we'll do when the green flag is clicked, hide, when I receive, oop, that's a thing, when I receive, start, if equals bunker, if map equals bunker, oh wait, I just realized something, put that around these two, if equals bunker map. Just gonna drag all these to the other doors too, just to be safe. And boop, and then oh, uh-oh. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna sneeze him down. Oh, there's a sneezer down there. Office below me, nerds. Okay. There we go. Back to the player. If map equals bunker, we'll have him go to there. Right there. Perfect. Go to there. And show. And we'll have this person go to the front layer too. Boop. Amazing. Now, what we need to do is set up movement. Put like a forever. Make a new block called movement. Ah-ha-ha. And there's like smack movement in there. You could just put this all, what I'm going to do here inside of this forever loop. I just think it's fancier to make your own block because, you know, it's super cool and all that good stuff. Alright, cool. So what we need to do now is do an if. What are our perks? That's what I need to figure out first. Our perks are stamina up. Okay, so there is a stamina up. That means we need to set up a thing that checks if it has it to increase our speed. Got it? Cool. So, if perk. Oh my god, first of all, this needs to be an if else. I don't know what I'm doing. Sorry if you hear noises down there. There's, you know, another office below me. Dank time. Okay, so. Oh my goodness, what am I doing? Seriously, what am I doing? I literally just forgot what I was doing. Oh, okay, I got it. I don't know what just happened right there. Equals stamina up. I'm actually just gonna take that. Then we'll do if perk 1 or perk 2 equals stamina up. If make a new variable, call it speed. Not the drug. Don't do drugs. If first of all we're gonna set. Okay, so this is right here. If stamina up is equipped as one of the perks, set speed to 3, because it's not that big of an area. If key, I'm going to use WASD. You can use arrow keys if you want, or both. If key, just by putting an or, like you grab an or and you put the or there and you do if key, W press or key up pressed. You got it, cool. If key W pressed, change, what am I doing? Change, no, this would be Y because it's going up. Change Y by, do speed, just like that. If key S, which would be down, is pressed, go to operators, grab a join, smack that in there, make the first one a negative, and then put speed. So it's negative speed. See, what's negative speed? Right now speed is set to, let's just say speed was set to 3. Where is it? And then 3. Set it. Negative 3. Cool. Duplicate. Then we'll do A. Yeah, A, so we can keep it like this. And then do, instead of change Y, do change X by negative speed. And then duplicate the whole big old thing just like that. And do, actually no, just do this. It'd be easier than I have to, you'll just fall. I'm sorry. If D pressed, then change X by speed. Beautiful. What if it's not? What if it's not? We'll worry about that in a second. Right now, we need to do if inside of one of these, each and every one of these. If touching, grab yourself an or, by the way. If touching color, we need color thing. Touching color black or touching color brown. Then change Y by negative speed. This is the, if you're wondering what this is the wall detection. That's what this is. So this would just be beep, 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 just like that. This one would stay like that. This one would be negative speed. Only thing you gotta change is X. Change X, not change Y. Make sure these are change X and not change Y. That is incredibly important, alright? Super important. Alright, let's test. Well, not test it yet, because we won't have that equipped. Duplicate this entire big thing. Just smack that in that else that's open down there. And now this is if you do not have stamina up, so I'm just going to make it 2. 2 is the normal speed. If you have stamina up, you'll go 3. Cool. If WS change Y by speed, all that stays the same. Just the only thing we're changing is what speed you were at. Okay. So play, bunker, and start. Look at it. Oh, I'm going to fix that. We'll fix that in a second. So you see we got this right now, and if you touch a wall, bloop, look at that. You don't go through it. You just stop. Pretty dank, isn't it? Alright, cool. So problem number 1 we shall fix is this barrier. And then just like extendo. And now it's testo. Boop, 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 boop. Gone. Alright, cool. Beautiful. Now we need to set up is a thing. And we will make another block called gun check. Make it called gun check. And put that in the forever. Now for gun check, what we will do is if gun equals 1, so we need to make a variable. Well, actually, no, we wouldn't even need to. Well, I'll just make one. We'll need to make one anyway, so I'll just do gun. If gun equals 1, I'll just do this. Pistol. If it equals pistol, then switch costume to pistol. Okay. Oh, Discord, shut up. I said shut up, Discord. I'm gonna close you, hold up. Blah, get out of there. Alright, so add in this one RC start. Set. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Set gun to starter. Because if you remember, when you do this thing, it'll be pistol, and then bam, now your gun is set to pistol. Pretty cool, right? Don't worry, this stuff isn't case sensitive. You won't have to worry about that. Switch costume to pistol. If gun equals revolver, switch costume to revolver. If it equals shotgun, switch it to shotgun. There, now that will ensure that no matter what we have when we start, it will be that gun. Pretty cool, right? I know. Thanks. Now also in this movement, add a point towards mouse pointer. It's simple as that. By the way, you need to make your character this way, otherwise this will be weird. Boop, and there we go. Now he looks directly at the character, and now look at that. Oh! Oh! Yeah, that's a bit broken thing, by the way. You still can't get through it no matter how hard you try, but, like, you can get into it and then get stuck. But you can just get out the way you got in. Don't worry about that. Okay, just trust me. Don't worry about it. Oh, what's that? You think it's annoying? Don't worry. We'll fix something about it. We'll fix something about it. Don't worry. Don't worry. We'll fix it. I promise. Make a new variable, and we're going to call it P direction, standing for player direction, which way your player is facing. Pretty cool, right? So we are going to make a new sprite, and we are going to be calling this Hitbox, or we'll call it P Hitbox actually for player hitbox. This is what will be detecting all the damage. Pretty cool, right? I'm gonna make it red. That is a very light red. I'm just gonna go like it's definitely not how big it needs to be. That'll probably be good, right? Oh, that's still way too big, isn't it? Is that still too big? Hold up. I think that looks good. I think that'll fit it. So then just tilt it back to the way it's supposed to be. I think that's the way it's supposed to be, right? That looks straight. Yeah, it just... Shush. Okay, so here's our hitbox. Make sure you center that. And then again, you know the drill. Boo, when green flag is clicked. Hide. When I receive. Start. Show. But just for my sake, I'm gonna set the You're gonna set ghost effect to 100 no matter what. For right now, just so I can see it, I'm gonna do 50. There you go. You see it? Here it is. Here is our hitbox, but it's not following us. So let's make it follow us. Make a forever. Forever. Go to player. Go to player. Beautiful. There we go. Now it forever goes to the player. But hey, look at that. The hitbox isn't following. What do? I'll tell you what we do. We get rid of P direction because I really don't know why I made that. Because you should make it point towards mouse pointer. And then boop, 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 boop. And then look at that. Now it follows them. Okay. Cool. Now I can see this. Now I can see this and I can change it to my heart's content. The size. That should do it. Let's try it. Let's try it. Let's try it. Make sure it's the same size. It is. Look at that. That is like precision the same size. Haha. What do we do? The hitbox isn't actually doing anything now, Deku. I'll tell you what to do, okay? Shh. Shh. Calm down. It's alright. It's alright. What we need to do is move over all this. Oh my goodness. I am so sorry. Alright. Move that into P hitbox. Just go ahead and just chuck the movement out. See, I tricked you, didn't I? I got you good. I got you good. I gotta check if this is actually in there. It is. Alright. I got you real good. I got you real good. You fell for it, didn't you? What a chump. What a chump. What a chump. Okay, just like that. Go into player. Put that mouse pointer in the forever loop down there. Get rid of it over here. And it'll act the exact same. You'll see it'll act the exact same way. Just like that. Except, what's going on? Nothing's moving. Why isn't it moving? You see it is. Look at that. Okay, you see how the hitbox is moving? But not the player. And do you see why it's stopping? Why is it stopping? That's because it's touching the color black. Which means we did not set the player to a bright enough color that's not black. So I'll do like a 10. And do that to all the costumes. Now let's see if at least the hitbox moves away from us. It still doesn't, huh? That is weird. I wonder why it does that. Oh no, I'm dumb. It's not touching the color. It's going to the player. Oh my goodness, I am not the smartest. Okay, you see it does this, but it doesn't move, right? What do we do about that? Well, I'll tell you. Get rid of this go to player. Don't know what's going on with me today. I'm just not having a good day, I guess. With coding, I guess. It's not a good day for me today. So in this, put that in there and make it do hitbox. There we go. Look at that. Hitbox is a bit wonky with the player, but don't worry, it won't be noticeable. And you hit the wall, and now the hitbox senses instead of the person. See, now it's a lot harder to go in the wall like that. You can still do it. It's a lot. You don't get as far into the wall as you normally would. So there we go. That's just fixed that. Perfect. Now what you do is you just come into your hitbox, and instead you set ghost effect to 100. Then you know when you start. Hit play, bunker, start. Look at that. You can't even tell it's there, and your hitbox works perfectly. Oh, yes, it is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. What do we do now, Deku? I'll tell you what we do now. I'll tell you what we'll do now. Nothing. That's where I'm going to end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, then like it. If you didn't like it anyways, because I had a good time. That's all. That's all. No reason, not because we made anything, just because I had a good time, and I hope you had a good time. So, yeah. If you enjoy what I do and want to see more of it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That'd help me out a lot. Post your games into the Scratch Game Request Studio. It's under my DK Minigame account, which you can find not in the description, but you'll find it on Scratch. If you type in DK Minigame, DK_Minigame, you for sure find the account. Go into the account, go to the studios, go into Game Request, put your games down there. I like to play one every single Monday. The reason I didn't play one this Monday, the reason there's no video up this Monday even, is because nothing new in the studio for me to make a video on. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.